is one of my first DIYs where you get to see my face. So today, we're starting to make some fun Dinosaur Busy Box games. I want to start out with this DIY, recycled dinosaur. You can feed it things. I have this old dishwasher tap container, and we are going to make it a dinosaur for your little kid to play with. First things first, we want to cover up the boring dishwasher stuff. So I have this awesome glitter paper. I think I want to make, what color? A blue dinosaur. I'm going to measure, and I have my hot glue gun. I'm going to take the paper, fold it around, see how much you'll need. It's not going to fit all the way. 2 pieces would be better. You can see here, edge. I have to get a pencil in there. Here is my pencil. To measure, and we'll cut it all the way around. Alright, my line. Scissor time. Two colors. Here's the front down of the dinosaur. Let's see. Glitter is going to get all over me. Let's measure the color. Same thing I just did. So I'm just going to take this piece. Cut it again, so it's the same. The back of this dinosaur will be blue and the front will be red. Inside here. Ooh, I love my idea. Got that one side stuck on. It'll be easier to fold around. You can put some on the back. All the way on the back here. Fit here on the curve of this box. And some more glue. Another glue stick. Alright. There's my glue. In the back. And then in the front here. Red on the front. I'm going to do it shorter. Right along the edge. Little glue on the paper and little glue. And that curve always gets me a little bit, but it doesn't have to be super perfect. The kiddo's gonna love the glitter paper, and that your dinosaur can just eat up everything. So, folding it, adding some more glue right to the edge of the blue. I'm going to cut it a little bit so we're matching up here on the other side. Snip, snip, snip. All right, remember a little bit of glue, there's a lot of glitter. So you need some on the container and the paper. Don't be shy about using a lot of glue. Okay. Front of our dinosaur is red, and then he goes to the back is blue. Alright, here's his mouth. Next, we're going to make some spikes and his eyes. I have this foam paper here to add some details with the spikes and eyes. I want the eyes to kind of be like a bump. Maybe I'll use the red for that. Straight line. This is some scrap foam left over from somebody else's project. Favorite stuff to use. Cut it a nice little rectangle here as best as I can. And cut that rectangle into 2 pieces like this. I'm going to fold those pieces in half. And I'm going to glue on to be the eyes of the dinosaur. Google it. You don't have to see that. On the edge of that. And we're going to glue on the other edge. Raise high like that. Like a little tent. Something here, a little bit of glue on the edge. Stick that down. A little bit of glue on the other edge. And line them up as best you can. There they are. Little tents for eyes. There's the beginning of our dinosaur. I'll put the eyes on. Glue and stick it on your tent. Aha! Glue and stick it on your tent. There's our dino eyes. Now we need some spikes and a tail. Arms? Let's see. I'll make some spikes from this. Cut some pointed spikes. Triangle, triangle, cut. Cut some triangles. We need 2 sets of spikes here. Just a little bit on the edge for glue. Actually, cut tiny slits all the way through so I can glue one edge and then the other edge to help it stand upright. I'll show you. One edge goes that way, and then I'm going to glue on the other side. The other side again, reverse. And now the other reverse side. Hold it up close for you. Just like that. So one side, another to make our dino spike. Very cool. You can still open, shut, feed our dino. Some teeth? I think so. Again, we're just going to cut that same zigzag triangle cut. I'm going to do it with this piece. Zig, zag, zig, zag. Cut the zigzag foam. Triangles all the way. Make some dinosaur teeth. Here's my dino teeth. Oh yes, we need to add them on our dinosaur right across the front. So here he is looking good so far. His spikes, his eyes, his color. I want these to go right across the front, so I'm going to lift up that mouth, put some glue right on the front here. Here we go. Right there, across the front. Ta-da! And we'll just glue it around the edge. The smaller edge, so it goes slowly. Maybe not as much glue there. Ta-da! Go around this way. All the way around. So my dinosaur has some teeth! Haha! So we have teeth, eyes, spikes, maybe we'll add a tail. Look, I have this sweet piece here. Let's cut some more zigzags and use this piece for his tail. Dinosaur down the back. Just right here. Put a little glue on the top. Glue here. It's getting hot. Here we go, flat dino tail. Yes, looking good, dino tail. All right. One more thing I want to add maybe is some arms. I want to make them red. I'm gonna choose red. So I'm going to make some long rectangle shapes. Not super long, but long for this little leftover bit of foam. So we can make his arms. Gotta make them claws. Again, more little zigzag triangle cuts. Up, down, up, down. I'm gonna make these kind of close together so they kind of look like a claw. See? Do it with the other one. Up, down, up, down, up. Claws, dino claws. All right, and we're gonna glue them right on to the side. A little bit of glue. Glitter is tough. Makes them stick, of course. So cute. Here we go. Dino claws. Spikes. Tail. Teeth. Our dino is ready to play. You can feed other dinos and count. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Get my alphabet flashcards and name that letter S. Feed the dino. T. Feed the dino. Lots of fun games you can play. Check out my how to play videos. Recycle dinosaur toys.